Hi, it's Top Cat Urban Explorer, Diabeta 46 in Complex Urbex. Site of an abandoned cottage. See you in there. Looking around the basement now, see if there's a way upstairs. Can't find the way. So we're back up again. We think we found a way into the property, down into the basement. There's Complex and Diabeta have already gone ahead. Right. We're actually in now. Came in through that way. Can't see the door because I wasn't sure where the door goes out to. Right, going up the steps onto the next floor. A bit more light up here. Here I am on top floor. Pretty stripped out, but still an interesting explore. Right, that's it from Top Cat Urban Explorer. Thank you to Clyde and Planets and the Gasman for this one. See you in my next video.